If you're over 60 and you've noticed your muscles getting weaker, your arms not lifting quite like they used to, or your legs feeling wobbly even after a short walk, you're not alone, but you're not powerless either. In this video, you'll discover the one specific vitamin your body desperately needs at night to restore muscle strength faster, support recovery, and even help rebuild your mobility after 60. Backed by science. Easy to add to your nighttime routine. And no, it's not protein or calcium. This might actually surprise you. Stick around, because by the end, you'll know exactly what to take, when to take it, and why it works better at night than during the day, especially for adults over 60. And before we dive in, let us know in the comments, have you noticed changes in your muscle strength in the past 5 years? We read and respond to everyone. Part 1. Why muscle loss happens so fast. After 60, most people think muscle loss is just part of getting older. And while it's true that aging naturally reduces your muscle mass, the real problem is what's happening behind the scenes. Here's what starts changing after age 60. But what if one key nutrient, taken at the right time, could reverse some of this muscle breakdown? That's what researchers have been studying for the past decade. And the results are exciting. Part 2. The missing vitamin. Most seniors are low in. Let's get straight to it. The vitamin that helps restore muscle strength at night is vitamin D3, specifically when taken in the evening alongside magnesium. Wait, vitamin D? Isn't that just for bones? Not anymore. Over 22 clinical studies now show that vitamin D is directly linked to muscle strength, balance, and fall prevention, especially in adults over 60. Let's break it down. Study Highlight 1. A 2021 study in the Journal of Endocrinology tracked 300 older adults over 65. Those who had sufficient vitamin D levels had Study Highlight 2. Another study in nutrients found that seniors who took vitamin D3 supplements at night had better muscle recovery overnight and reported. That's because vitamin D isn't just a bone vitamin. It's a hormone-regulating nutrient that impacts testosterone, inflammation, sleep quality, and muscle contraction. And those systems all decline with age. Part 3. Why you should take vitamin D at night. Not in the morning. You might be wondering, I thought vitamin D came from sunlight. Why take it at night? Great question. Yes, sunlight helps you produce vitamin D naturally, but as we age, our skin becomes less efficient at converting sunlight into usable vitamin D. Also, when you take vitamin D3 at night, it helps stimulate the release of growth hormone during sleep, which boosts protein synthesis, the process your muscles use to grow stronger. Think of it like this. Vitamin D is the spark plug your muscles need at night to recharge. Bonus: why you must pair vitamin D3 with magnesium. Here's the part most people miss. You can take all the vitamin D in the world, but if you don't have enough magnesium, your body can't activate it. That's right. Magnesium is the key that unlocks vitamin D so it can actually do its job. And guess what? Over 70% of adults over 60 are magnesium deficient. Symptoms include, so the best way to restore muscle strength overnight. Take vitamin D3 with magnesium glycinate 30 to 60 minutes before bed. This combo helps. Part 4. How to take it. The right dosage and format. Let's talk practicality. How do you take vitamin D3 at night the right way? Here's a simple guideline. For most adults over 60. Optional. Add a teaspoon of olive oil or MCT oil to help absorption. Avoid taking calcium at night with D3. It can compete for absorption. Part 5. Warning signs of deficiency. You shouldn't ignore. Here are signs your body might be crying out for more vitamin D and magnesium. Don't ignore these signs. Your muscles could be declining faster than you realize. Part 6. How fast will you see results? You may be wondering, if I start taking this tonight, when will I notice a difference? Here's what research shows. And the best part. The benefits keep building over time, especially when combined with light strength exercises, hydration, and a protein-rich diet. Wrap up. The takeaway for seniors. If you're over 60 and struggling with muscle weakness, slow recovery, or stiffness, don't just accept it as part of aging. Your body still wants to repair. You just have to give it the right tools at the right time. Vitamin D3 plus magnesium glycinate at night is one of the easiest, most affordable ways to call to action. So here's your challenge. Try this combo for 30 nights straight, and let us know in the comments what you feel. Drop a comment below. Have you ever tried vitamin D at night? What changes did you notice? And if you found this helpful, hit like, tap subscribe, and ring the bell for more real, science-backed health tips for seniors every week. Don't miss the next video. We'll reveal the top 5 foods that naturally boost strength after 60 and why most seniors aren't eating them. Stay strong, stay smart, and we'll see you in the next one.